Hey guys, welcome to another exciting episode of Travel with Vaugh. Today, I'm really excited. This is a very special video. Today, I am doing my Ancestry DNA kit today. I'm very much excited. I've been contemplating on doing this for a very long time. It was something that I've always wanted to do, but I don't know, I just had a fear of it, fear of doing it. I don't know why I actually had a fear of it, but I was like, it's about time that I figure out exactly where I came from. Like, what is my background, right? And so the goal of this particular video is whatever my background is when I get the DNA Ancestry kit back, the results back, I'm going to go to that particular country to see like if it tells me like all the way back where I came from. My goal is to take a journey of where I originally came from, like if I came from a particular tribe or a particular group or community. I want to go back and actually visit that community to understand more about who I am, because you live this life, and as an African American, you kind of want to know like what your roots are. It's like every time when I go to Africa, like the Africans, they can tell you exactly like where they came from, like down to like their tribe. And it's like, it kind of sucks that I'm not able to do that. So hopefully this will give me a lot of insight on how I can track back, where I came from and, like what tribe I'm a part of, if I'm a part of any tribe, which I'm just excited to, but nervous at the same time. But anyway, this is the Ancestry DNA kit that I purchased. It was $54. I got off Amazon, which I got the next day. So I'm going to open the kit with you guys because it's my first time opening it. And they give you a little like Q&A, well, a little cute information on the front. Basically, it says that welcome to the whole new world of a personal discovery. You probably know that some of your family history, but what you can learn from your DNA can make a profound impact on how you see yourself. Thanks for choosing us to learn more about the story of you, the Ancestry family. So they give you a cute little intro card here for you to read. And then after that, they give you the directions. So basically, in the kit, the first thing that they tell you is to activate the kit. And basically, you download the app. There is a little tube that you're going to scan to activate it once you register your account. And then you can also sign up for SMS messages, text messaging, standard rates applied due to your carrier. But it'll give you updates on when or where the process is in regards to your kit. Now, once you download the app, the mobile app, and then once you activate and register your kit, based upon there's a little tube in here, I'm going to show you guys. Then you can begin the process. So I've already did that. I've already activated. I've already downloaded the app. I've already activated the kit through the app. And there's a little barcode you scan, or you can manually put in the information. And then we do the first step. So it says spit in the tube. It says fill the tube with the saliva to the black wavy line. So, all right. So here is this is what the kit looks like. It gives you the pre-label here, and then this kit here, which is the tube that you spit into the black line, and then the solution that you have to rinse it with. And then this little baggie you'll put it in before you do it. So, all right, girl. All right, here we go. So I have to spit all the way to the wavy line. I got a lot of spit. Baby, that's gonna be a lot of spit. Oh God. Oh my God. All right, I'm a little bit over the line, but that should be fine. All right, so I'm over the line. So the next thing that you do is you twist off the top, which is this piece here. And then you connect the other portion to it like this. And then once you connect it, it's a tight to release the fluids. Okay, so tight to release the fluids. Oh, okay, cool. Then once you release the fluids, you shake. It says shake the tube for at least 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. So we shook it for 5 seconds to make sure the mix thoroughly with the stabilization solution so that the lab can best process your sample. Then place the tube into a collection bag. So this is the collection bag they give you. Okay. Oh yeah. It says insert the cap tube into the bag, seal the bag collection, put the bag into the, don't forget to activate. Okay, cool. So that is done. Booyah. And then we put it into this little box here. Okay. And once we insert it to this box here, we close it up. Boom, boom, boom. We seal it. All right, make sure I'm sealing it properly, you guys. We seal it up. And boom, we're all done. We ship it off. So basically it goes first class. So it should get to them within, well, hopefully 3 to 4 days. And from my understanding, it takes like 1 to 2 to 3 weeks for you to actually get your results back. But you'll get a text message. If you sign up for text message, you'll get a text message in regards that your results are in. And then you'll be able to pull all your information and go from there. So guys, thank you for watching my video today. There will be definitely a part 2 about my results. And I'm very much excited. So guys, thank you for watching Travel with Vaugh. And I will see you guys on my next episode. Peace.